There you go. To reset the service interval on the Renault Scenic, the first thing we need to do is insert the key. Since this is an automatic model, we're going to press it to start it. We press the brake pedal and start it. Okay, with this button here that you see on the right, we'll select until the box shows the kilometers left until the next service. Okay? Oil change tells us 9,056 kilometers. So, we hold down the down arrow key, which is the one to reset the partial kilometers, for more than 10 seconds until it flashes and 30,000 kilometers appears, which is the next interval. And now we turn off the car and, as you can see, the next oil change is at 30,000 kilometers. The service reset is now done. It's that simple. Well, that's it, bye.